Hey everyone, this is Allan, and today I am not recording at 11 a.m. because I learned my lesson yesterday. And today I will talk about um one thing that I decided to do from now on, and why why is that I am starting an ultra learning project right now. I am seeing every day as just having the tech skills that a usual developer has is not enough anymore. And not only AI codes faster than me, but I need to be the one that directs it better. So I don't think that the usual skills you would have as a developer that just receives order and execute tasks are enough anymore. So I think that I need to know how to plan better and how to structure better solutions, not only in the software area, but in general. I need to look at a business problem and learn how to identify solutions and actually craft better solutions. And remember this word craft, that's very important for my context. And to do that, to get better at it, I already bought some days ago a course about system design, and I am starting this ultra learning project to get better at at frameworks in the business area. Just for you to know, I define ultra learning based in the book Ultra Learning by Scott Young, and this is a self-directed learning method that is aimed to develop a skill in less time than usual. So if you are like me and don't have time, you are learning with practice and not with a normal college progress, for example. Then ultra learning kinda uh, makes sense for me or for you if you have these conditions as me. And where did this inspiration come from? Basically, I follow a guy called Bruno Fajion in Brazil. He has a YouTube channel in Portuguese where he talks about business models, and I really like his content. And I like how he looks at a problem and is able to create a framework to explain it and also divide this problem into smaller parts and analyze how business could work with that problem or make money from that problem. So I really think that Bruno was the main guy that inspired me into learning this skill. I know it's not easy because, for example, Bruno has a business in English called Crafting Cases. That's why I said the word craft would came back. And in that business, he teaches people how to pass in case interviews. Those are a kind of interview those are a kind of interview that's really hard. You have to develop the right skills to pass into that interviews, and a lot of smart people pass on that. So I know that it will be not easy. I don't aim to pass into an interview like that, but I need to be a better service provider. So I think those skills are necessary to me. And Bruno himself said in a podcast that to learn those skills, you would actually need to prepare for an interview like that. So that's why I am kind of preparing, but I will not do an interview like that. I am trying just to absorb the same content. So I will read the same books. I will read the same content. I will even watch the crafting cases free course that Bruno has. Bruno and his partner in the business. So that's why I decided to do that, and I am learning as I go. It will be an ultra learning project, so I don't know. Basically, I know I know almost nothing about that area, so I will learn as I go, and I will have to spend some time into planning the ultra learning project. That's kind of how a project like that works. So if you have not read the book, you should read it to do that. So I decided to study, focus on that. While I do my work, while I do everything, while I am trying to build a personal brand until the end of the year. And why that time window? Because I don't have time to wait. I need to make money. I want to make money faster. So I don't plan to delay this anymore. And but as a software developer, as a software engineer, I will try to developing the programming fundamentals because I don't want to outsource my thinking and understanding to AI. And that's basically it for today. See you on the next video.